Let's Control N. All right, so we're doing a little weekend Zcash. Um, this was interesting because we're looking at all of the crypto against the dollar, and we see everything was coming down. They were selling here, selling here. Everything was coming down. Everything was coming down, selling here. But all of this was red, 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 like this one. So we knew at that time, which was about here on Friday or Thursday, that it was should be selling only. But then last night in Zcash, I saw these numbers on the top. Everything was red, still red. And then I saw these numbers change. And they went from -100 to -4. Then I wrote it down here to +3, then to +15. And by the time we were at +15, we were about here. But we already knew here at -4 that it was going to go up. We also know the dollar is red. So that's just going to have to go down further. So our bias will be long crypto. And when I saw these, I started writing notes. And I'm thinking this is the way to read this indicator. I've been looking at this a while, and then I left it and came back to it and tried it again and never really figured it out. And then all of a sudden I noticed this last night and it was changing. So if we write notes down, I think it will give us the clue. And then with combining that with the dollar bias, then we should be able to get all of these, get some weekend crypto. And we'll try it on the currencies too, but I've just been testing this a little bit on crypto on weekends and wanted to share it with you. Anyway, the indicator is called, hang on, let's see if we can find that here. Indicator list. It's this one here, KG buyers and sellers. Diff is the one to get. There's one without diff and there's just too many numbers, but this diff gives you the final agreed number. And that's not really what it's doing, but if you look at it that way, it will give you the same result anyway. Let's just get the exact name here for you. Here it is. So go on to Forex Factory and type this. Forget the A at the beginning. Just write S-KG and download that. And we'll try and do some more videos just based on this principle, looking for clues of these numbers changing. And you'd look at everything relative to the dollar like we usually do. And yeah, we'll try that out, and I'll what we'll do, the way we'll get out of this is once we start seeing high red numbers here in where they're obviously giving away a clue, then we'll get out. But until really, I'm not really interested in getting out of this until at least next week, because we know the dollar's red. So dollar won't start until Monday anyway. And once that goes green, then we'll start looking for clues and then getting out of this. But until then, we're just going to keep buying on these hundreds at the bottom. Once we start seeing big, this would be a great one to buy here. We can just go ahead and do this as well, because this is just too good. 55. These numbers were 80 last night. We'll just take a little buy. We'll try and hold these. But we really want to be seeing some more greens up here in the high time frame to get committed, because this 8 days is resembling 8 days of selling, which is a lot. All these numbers are way stronger than these numbers, is what I'm trying to say. there's more selling than buying, even though you see hundreds. But the way we see the clue is when these numbers start declining, and then they'll transfer to here. And as long as we're seeing that across the board, then we know we should be on the right side of the crypto versus the dollar. Anyway, that's what I wanted to share with you guys this weekend. We'll try to do some more crypto videos on weekends, I think. Anyway, thanks a lot.